In this video, I'll show how to thread this machine and some of the oil points, and I'll show some of the basic stitches. So I got this machine from a gentleman. He had it in his basement. He told me he did an awning with it. I don't think he used it very much. It doesn't look like he used it very much. It was when I cleaned it up, I just kind of wiped it off with the sponge, and it cleaned up really good. I didn't need to clean underneath of it much. I did clean this oil pan out. It just had some lint in it, but it didn't look too bad. But I cleaned it up, put clean oil in there, and so it's all oiled up and ready to go. You can see on the edge there how nice the paint looks. So here I'm demonstrating the height of the foot. I just used some quarters. I stacked them up until I could just get them under the foot, and then I measure those, and it comes to 7/16.
Okay, this is a Brother DB2-B735. With this device, there's two holes here, some tension discs, and a third hole here. So we'll use all the holes, go up through the bottom, and then up through the bottom again. Okay, so up through the bottom, up through the bottom, up through the tension discs, and then down through the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, then we come to this one. I'm going to use 2 out of the 3. I'm going to go down through 2 holes. Down through this one, and then down through that one. Just see how it wraps around there. That's a little bit of tension. Okay, we'll go through this guide here. Then around tension discs. Once we go all the way around, we'll catch this spring, take-up spring. Then we'll go down around this hook. And then we'll go through this take-up arm. Just on my hook and get it back on there. Alright. So when you pull on it, this kind of thing happens. So if you got that going on, you know you got it right. Alright, so this is the take-up arm. So just so you can kind of see, it's that deal right there. Alright. There's another guide right here. Probably hard to see from that angle. Looks like this one, but on the other side. Then there's the spring clip here. Okay, so then there's a hole right at the top of the needle. Go through that. And then we're going to go through the needle. On this one you go left to right. So whatever machine you're threading, when you go through the needle you go towards the bobbin. On this particular machine, left to right gets you there. Okay. Alright. That's how you thread it. This is a really nice machine. It sews really good. I like the way this machine sews. It looks good. It's very clean. There's not a scratch on the bed. There's not a scratch anywhere. This goes from 1 to 4. I think that's a millimeter stitch. And I'll run through some of those for you real quick here so you can kind of see those. I've chosen some sunbrella, mainly because it's black, but it's kind of a, well, I guess this is what you'd call medium. A medium material. So that's 2. That's 4. And that is 8. So I want to demonstrate on 8 layers of Sunbrella or exterior. I don't know if that's polyester. Stuff they make awnings out of and stuff like that. Okay, I put some white thread in here. This thread is not marked. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I think it's about a 105. Could be a 90. So Tex 90, Tex 105. That's pretty close. Just comparing it with some of my other threads. This is an unbonded thread. It's not the best thread in the world, but it's nice and white. So here we go. We'll set this at the longest stitch we got. This machine does have reverse. We'll start off in reverse. I've got to turn it on, so here we go. Phew! Sucker's fast. Okay. Especially in this stitch length. Now we'll try go down to 3. Two and a half. Two. And we'll do 1. So let's see, I started off on this crooked line where it's going so fast. That's the 4, 3, 2 and a half, 2 and 1. Very small, really nice stitch. It's a balanced stitch. This tension was easy to set on this. That's pretty heavy materials, and it seems like it does lighter stuff pretty good too. Real nice machine, do you really good.